Welcome back, everyone. What you're about to see today on Unity Car is not just a camper, it's a complete lifestyle. A vehicle that doesn't just drive, it takes your dreams along with it. This is the 2025 Airstream Basecamp 20X, and the special thing about this model is that it's shown in a stunning, beautiful, and shining pink color. A color that stops traffic, catches every eye, and makes your heart whisper, "This is something special." At first glance, its aerodynamic design instantly impresses. The rounded edges, strong aluminum body, and sharp LED lights in the front make it feel like daytime, even in the darkest night. The body is made from lightweight yet ultra-strong aluminum, designed to withstand every kind of weather and every type of terrain. It's equipped with 4 all-terrain tires, each 16 inches in size, specifically built for mountains, sandy roads, and rocky trails. These tires provide such a strong grip that the camper stays fully in control, even on slippery surfaces. With a ground clearance of approximately 12 inches, it easily glides over stones, dips, and uneven ground. But that's just the beginning. Inside the Basecamp 20X, you'll find modern-day comfort and convenience in every inch. A soft, foldable bed that transforms into a sofa during the day and provides cozy sleep at night. A compact yet fully equipped kitchen with a stove, a small refrigerator, a sink, and built-in storage. There's even a foldable dining table where 2 people can comfortably enjoy a meal. From the outside, it may look compact, but the inside feels surprisingly spacious. Large windows and a clear roof allow natural light to flood the interior, giving you beautiful views of the outdoors while you sit inside in comfort. Now let's talk about the water system. It includes a 21-gallon fresh water tank, a 24-gallon black water tank, and a 10-gallon gray water system, meaning you'll never worry about running out of water during your adventure. These systems are fully sealed and hygienic, perfect for long journeys. The Basecamp 20X also comes with solar power support, which charges the system during daylight hours. The built-in battery backup is strong enough to keep a small family powered for 2 full days. Lights, ventilation, phone charging, everything keeps running without any disruption. On a full tank of fuel, the Basecamp 20X can travel up to 500 kilometers with ease. Its fuel efficiency is specially designed for campers, ensuring that even on long journeys, you never need to slow down. All of this doesn't just make it a camper, it makes it a home, a bedroom, a romantic escape, and a symbol of complete freedom. This vehicle is for people who don't just follow time, they carry time with them. So if you want every journey to be memorable, every moment to be relaxing, and every view to feel like a dream, the 2025 Airstream Basecamp 20X in pink is ready to become your next travel companion. Stay connected with Unity Car, because here, every video brings you things the world only dreams about.